We're making our way into the Venetian Palazzo. We're gonna get some coffee and maybe some dessert, and we'll see what else we can get. Can you get like a dessert place here too? So I'll present it. So now we just got to Venetian inside. Now time for coffee. We're having a really good time so far. It's pretty chill today, right? For the most part.
Venetian's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Especially the Italian girl like me.
But you know what though? We really need some coffee though.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go get some Illy Coffee. It's like one of my favorites. It's really creamy, super rich. Exactly. So let's go hit up Illy. Going down the escalator, we were trying to find our way out, but we got lost in the process.
So now we're going down to the casino.
I wish they had like signs that shows you where. Okay. So we're finally here outside the Venetian. It's a very beautiful, clear day today. So we're here at the Link Promenade. I'm not sure what it's called, or if like that's like the official name.
I don't know.
But
They have a store left. There's the Cancer's Deli.
yeah, Yeah, and it's like super festive. You know, there's like a lot of lights. There's like Christmas trees and ornaments everywhere you go. It's like super cool. And you know what? I recommend it.
Very Americana. Like they have mixes of New York,
Yeah.
from LA.
Exactly.
Like all American eateries.
They have sprinkles. I know that we just had coffee like a few minutes ago at the Venetian. But you know what? We're gonna check out some more coffee in a few minutes and maybe try some cupcakes. Maybe.
Or some type of dessert. Maybe not cupcakes, but some type of dessert with our coffee.
Yeah. That sounds really good. I mean, you know, you only live once, right?
You only do.
We're walking on
Walking out of the link.
out of the link and we see Starbucks. It's in my hand. Starbucks.
And it's open 24 hours a day.
So we just got out of the link and we're heading back towards
Caesar's Palace.
Caesar's Palace. And
we're tired. We walked about 2 blocks. This is like really sad.
We're
We have to do more
exhausted.
cardio if we're tired.
yeah, I know. We need some more cardio. That's so true.
Or maybe we didn't have enough coffee. So it means we need more coffee.
We need some more coffee. Yeah, you're right. To boost our metabolism too.
Oh, actually, right in front of it is the foreign shops, that mall I was telling you about. Caesar's Palace.
That's
It's
right.
gorgeous.
Exactly.
And that, like I said yesterday, that H&M has about, I think it's 3 stories. They have a really nice selection.
Let's go there. Let's go check out Caesar's Palace. It's
You
been a
can
while.
see to the front of it has like a mock of the Trevi Fountain, Rome. Super pretty.
So we're gonna go inside.
Let's go.
Maybe get some more coffee.
Yes,
And see.
definitely.
Yep.
And see how gorgeous it is. Bye, guys.
Bye. So we're just walking out of
The foreign shops at Caesar's Palace.
that place, and we're gonna go head over to
Fashion Show Mall.
Fashion
My
Show Mall.
favorite mall is on the strip.
Yep. They have a Zara there, right? They have a Zara,
Top Shop.
which is in my store. I love Zara, and also they have H&M, obviously, which is like another one of my favorites.
And
No.
they have really good food court too. They actually have this fast food Indian place that
Right.
has really good like roti. I don't know if I said that right. Is that kind of weird?
I think you're right. I think it's roti. If you're wrong, let us know.
But there's a Starbucks there too. So eventually, hopefully there will get Starbucks.
Oh, I thought you meant like right here. I got excited for a second.
Fashion Show Mall.
Okay. So we're walking out of Mirage
It's
straight
a
to,
beautiful waterfall.
yeah, it's
Massive.
huge, as you can see. Now we're headed towards the mall, right?
Fashion Mall,
Fashion Mall to get some more coffee.
which I probably talked about like 100 times this morning.
Exactly.
You can tell I'm excited.
And we're gonna go look for a coat for tonight. I want to get a coat.
We're gonna go to Bellagio Fountain, and it's gonna be about 38 tonight, so gotta bundle up.
Freezing cold, which might not be very cold for everyone, but for us it's pretty freezing.
California, especially from LA,
Yeah,
we don't handle cold very well.
like 50 degrees is like considered like frostbite temperature. So we're headed towards the mall, and then we're gonna look for, well, firstly, most important is coffee.
Yes.
And then
we've been walking like 2 hours.
2 hours of walking. But yeah, it's been super fun. So
We'll see you there.
see you at the mall.